Guys, it's been a minute since I last uploaded a video. Whew, just out here getting it in again with my amigos, my kids. Where you just? Oh, okay, with the kids. It's beautiful weather. Just going up the hill again and back down. But yeah, it's like 1 o'clock, a little after 1. So I meant to get started earlier, but I was working out in the house, which I put a little clips in. Me doing that, but like I said, we're just out here. Whew. Getting it in. We're about to run down the hill now. You ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. And she pick your feet up. Getting it in. Hayden right there. We hadn't did this in a couple of days. About a week. Over a week. Alright, that's one time down. We're going to do about 3 more. And we're going to be done with that. And then when I go in, I want to go in and talk to you guys, let you guys know what's been going on with me as far as my weight loss journey. So stay tuned. So you guys, as I stated before during my workout, that I wanted to just, you know, let you guys know what's been going on with me, and just keeping you updated on my weight loss journey. Let me get a little sip of this. By the way, you guys, I love drinking soju. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. And this video is not sponsored, but I really like their brand. Mostly the greens I drink, but that's not what this video about. But anyway, you guys, yeah, today, as of this video, today is May the 18th, which is me and my husband's anniversary. I actually may do a video on our Fruitful Souls TV channel, which I put down in the description. I may do a vlog on there. It's pertaining to what we're going to do today. I don't know, depending on how I feel. But anyway, as of today is Wednesday. So I did start over a journey, my weight loss journey, on April 21st. So the 21st of this month will be a whole month, you guys, that I have been, like, you know, just kind of watching what I eat, not eating as much. Well, I cut down a whole lot of carbs, a whole lot of just starches, a lot of starches. I used to eat a lot of bread and rice and things like that, but I cut out a lot of sweets and things like that. But you know, I'm not restricting myself from eating the things that I like to eat, but I have restricted myself a lot of the quantity of it. I haven't ate a lot of it. So so far I have lost about 7 pounds since, like I said, April 21st. It haven't been a month, you know, and it's not as much as I had wanted, but you know, I say I'm very glad and proud of myself for the 7 pounds because of the, it was like 6.8, but I'm proud of that because of the simple fact that sometimes, you know, it's hard to even lose that much weight, to lose that, whether it's water or whether it's fat, whatever it may be. Sometimes it can be hard to lose that weight. So I'm just happy that that's a start, that it's something that I can continue to work on, and you know, I'm just not gonna give up on myself. A lot of times we, you know, we may fail, or I'm not just gonna say fail, but sometimes, you know, things happen and life happens, and we don't, you know, we don't continue with our weight loss journey and get to where we want to get, you know, we backtrack or whatever. But I always stress about this, not stress, but I always like tell or say this: do not give up as long as you continue to keep trying, because you know what, you're doing it for yourself, or you may have a certain reason why you want to do it, your why, but the main thing is for your health, is for you. And for me, that's exactly what I'm trying to do, is for my health. And I just want to feel good. I want to be able to do things that I cannot do because of my weight, and it restricts me from doing a lot of things, especially having the energy to do it. So no matter what it is, I'm not gonna stop. Now, I said this time, like seriously, I really want to lose the weight that I want to lose. I want to get to the goal that I wanted to get to. It may change along the way, you know, but I at least have something. I have a goal set that I want to reach, and I'm going to do what I need to do to get there, and not give up on myself, you know, not just give up on myself. I can't afford it. You know, it's my life. I have kids, I have a husband, I have things to do, I have people to inspire. I got to help people to understand that this is for you, it's for your health. Don't give up on yourself. You can do it. So I can't let people down that God has for me to show or to teach, you know. But like I said, I just wanted to update you guys. Also for Mother's Day, my husband did get me a Planet Fitness membership, so you guys will see me up in the gym again. I'm super excited. I just got to get the time to go, but I will be working out. I do want to do a lot of strength training because that is my goal, to strengthen my body and lose fat. So we'll be doing cardio as well, of course, but I really want to get in them weights and work on this body. But like I said, yet inspire other people to do the same. But yeah, you guys, like I said, I want to update you guys on what I'm doing, how's it going for me, and I definitely will keep you guys updated, show you guys what workouts I'm doing. I have been putting some on Facebook on my reels, videos on the reels, or however you say it. But Facebook, you can go check my channel out, or you can go to Health the Way I Live and see my reels of some of the workouts I've been doing and some of the foods I've been eating. So be sure to go and follow that, and I'll put that down in the description as well. But like I said, I'm here to inspire, I'm here to help, I'm here to get encouragement as well from you guys that are on a journey as well. So let's connect. Comment down below, let me know if you're on your weight loss journey, if you had some setbacks and what you're doing to overcome those setbacks, and just let's do this together. 2022, we're going to reach our goal. Not even just 2022, maybe 2023, but 2022 is the year that it's like, okay, it's time to get serious. It's time to do what we need to do. It's already May. It's already almost half of the year. So, you know, why not start now, right? But anyway, you guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.